A community center wants 2 square quilt sizes, so the bigger quilt uses exactly 693 more patches than the smaller one. The bigger side must be less than 50 patches. How many different pairs of whole number side lengths are possible? Pause the video, try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Factor 693 first. Every factor pair of 693 might match a side pair. The 2 squares trick says a plus b times a minus b equals 693. So every way to write 693 as a product of 2 whole numbers gives a candidate for the 2 sides. Factor 693. 693 equals 3 times 3 times 7 times 11. The whole number divisors are 1, 3, 7, 9, 11, 21, 33, 63, 77, 99, 231, and 693. Now list every factor pair where the bigger number is a plus b and the smaller number is a minus b. There are 6. For each pair, solve for a and b. A equals the sum plus the difference divided by 2. B equals the sum minus the difference divided by 2. The design limit says a must be less than 50. From the 6 pairs, 3 of them work: 43 and 34, 37 and 26, 27 and 6. The other 3 give an a of 53 or higher. Those are rejected. The answer is 3. There are 3 valid pairs of quilt sides. 3 valid pairs. The pattern is structural. Factor the patch difference. Each factor pair builds a candidate side pair. Filter by the design constraint. This is real competition math. The trick from the foundation video did all the heavy lifting here. The next level adds a second constraint. Same recipe, sharper filter. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.